everyone, today I'm gonna show you and explain my projects, my third project with the CS50 web programming with Python JavaScript, the mail project. So we're gonna start with the send mail and test it. Here we can see it, but let's try it again. And as you can see, it's already filtered, so you can see which one is the first and which one is the latest one. Next we have the mailbox. For now I don't have any message that was sent to this account, so I'm gonna switch to another account, which is this one, the student Egypt. And here we are, we can see it. These the new emails. The color is white because it wasn't clicked yet. If you click, you can here see as well. And as you can see, it has a different color now because it was viewed. So let's check what we have next. View email. Bye. So here we have the sender and my email and the subject, and here is the body. For the reply, no, let's check what we have next. Archive. Let's archive this. Let's check. Yeah, it's archived here. It was archived already. Let's test the reply button if everything is working. Okay, so we have this and we have this, the RE. So it's everything working. Now let's write something. And yes, here it is. It was sent. Let's check from the other user. Here we are. Everything is working.